guys, today we do some spring roll. It's a nature, you can see that some in the restaurant, but we cook at home today, and we got spring, like a half of them, carrots, and also we set up it this way. We go in with the salad. The main thing here is a noodle. We ready to put them. So, and all this noodle that we will be using today, and they go like this way. This is like a soup. While cooking right now. Okay. This is the only ingredient here. You can see some garlic, onion, cheese, stuff like that. Make sure you have all this. The way we set up here, guys, we dip the dry seed inside with the water, and we got it coming out here, and we set it up like this way. And all this about the spring roll, how we roll it. And we roll, make sure that you see, you want to make it look beautiful, you make a little bit color like that. And you can see here we complete finish. Now we eat this, we dip with soy sauce or fish sauce, and we can eat together. Here the way that white chicken here. Okay. I hope for you. I'm going to do one more time beginning so you can see here after we dip the rice into water. Hot water better, like warm water make sure the seed they sharp a little bit. Here the way we set up in here, and we got cilantro, salad, and carrot on. And now we're going to pick up some more whatever need to be done, and make sure you got a noodle right here. This is the noodle. Okay, and we're going to roll it up. Here they call dry paper. We wet them with hot water. Okay? Make sure they soften a little bit, and then we set up like this way. You can see it, okay? And we roll right now. We roll them together, and inside here you can see a spring and all that stuff. We put them on together like noodle. You can see that noodle, and here my white roll it up. Okay, and it depends. If you roll small, you have small, but you roll a little bit big. It's very easy to be eat. It's ready. All this, yeah, it's very beautiful. This and healthy. Very no oil, just vegetable, noodle, and white chicken. Here the white chicken here, we put them on together. We almost like complete the dish here, and make sure we had a noodle ready to be roll them in together with white paper. How it look like, and like you can see this, you can buy this one in any supermarket. And this is salad, and all this they come in a big teaspoon. Beautiful. And most of the ingredients you can not really a lot, but you so far you can see. Sometimes in the spring roll you can eat with chicken here. It's nice, and I like you see all this. The final for my for our dinner today. That's it. And also we got a soup here, guys. This is a soup. We got mushroom, cabbage, carrots, and most things that we try to make, like the green tomato, whatever that you can see, celery right there. Okay, very nice. Hopefully you like this spring roll. This is the main dish. Name of spring roll with all ingredients here. Sometimes you can put chicken on it. But make sure you got white chicken, spring, and celery. You make the color outside is beautiful, and carrots. All the ingredients here you can see. Of course, you can you can buy noodle, okay? White noodle or dry noodle, and all this you have salad ready, and also you got paper and you put in together with water. Alright guys, thank you very much. I like you to see this video and also subscribe for me. Thank you. Have a good one.